Hi there, Sharon here, just back from convention, and I thought I'd take a few minutes and share with you what I learned at convention this year. I didn't work it, I didn't speak at it, I just went to it and listened. And one of the things that I heard was absolutely remarkable. There were actually owners at convention who not only bought Clean Smart Academy in the last year, but they are also using it and they absolutely love it. It has changed their business. I will share some of the owners with you in future live videos so you can see what they have to say and why they love it. But until then, I thought I would share this with you. These were actually incredible moments for me because I wasn't sure what to do with it, if I should keep going or just quietly retire. I would like to share with you one of my favorite moments, and that's when an owner from Canada tracked me down to tell me this. She's always been a believer in my training kits. She used house cleaners training before she came to convention last year, and she brought a trainer. They couldn't quite figure out why it was that I said you didn't need to have an employee shadow you in the field, a trainer, how this would all work. So I sat down with she and her trainer last year and explained to them how it all worked. They did buy the animated video, and she just wanted to let me know how much they loved this program. She was blown away, and so was I with what she had to say. She said they now train their solos in 3 days, and they can clean a home perfectly. She is one of the 3 owners that have in the last year said to me, Sharon, you're right. A home can be cleaned perfectly every time you clean it if you've got a process and they follow your process and, of course, your procedures. So it was just so great to have someone affirm that it worked the way I built it to work. Then again, there were others at convention that had no clue how my training kit worked. And once word started getting out, I had a lot of people come and ask me about it. $3, $4, $5 million companies, because they have absolutely wrapped up their companies tight. They've worked hard, they've understood it, they've taken advantage of every technology available to them, CRM, scheduling, reworking leads, marketing, everything is automated in their offices, even answering the phones in some instances. But the one thing that's still in the 1990 or dark ages is their training the people to do what they do for a living. And suddenly, when they realized that this software was available to them, they wanted to hear everything about it. It works because most companies still train the only way you really can train without this kit, which is by shadowing. And when an employee, a trainee, shadows a trainer, they only get to see it once. They only watch somebody cleaning a bathroom once, a kitchen once, dusting once. And in many companies, they watch all 3 areas before they actually pick up a towel and start doing it themselves. It's not rocket science, but oh my gosh, it's a lot. It's 32 minutes of a video, animated video that does every single thing in the bathroom perfectly. You expect them to remember probably 100 things by watching it once. Clean Smart Academy runs this by an employee in classroom 4 times before they ever put a towel in their hand. Step 1 is the process, the first time they see it. Process is a lot more than top to bottom, left to right. There's a zillion things in the bathroom to miss. In dusting, there's even more. The animations gives them steps to follow so they miss nothing. It strategically starts them in certain positions at each step so that nothing is mixed. It gives them structure, sequence, as I said, and a logical sequence. Secondly, it gives them a procedure manual. You put in your expectations, your procedures, your tools, your products in that procedure manual. So what you're doing is plugging your procedures into the process. It becomes your manual, your system, not mine. Third, they watch a real human being cleaning small areas. Inserted in the manual are videos of actually cleaning a bathroom, a human being now, not animated, so they can see exactly how it is done the right way. And then fourth, they take a quiz online. So they prove if they understand it, if they prove if they're ready to go. Has the classroom training taught them what they need to know, so that when you hit the field, all you need to do is shadow them. This is why training only takes 3 days for a solo, and 1 day if you have teams, because they can stay in bathrooms for a while until they get it. But the key part to this system really working is your software has to be updated. It has to have your data in it. As I tell owners, if you do this, it will save you tons of time like any software. But if it sits there empty without your data in it, it can't help you. You can't schedule until you put your customers in. You can't teach your cleaners how to clean without showing them your products, your tools, and your procedures. But once your cleaners see it, they will adopt to it immediately. And that's why you can clean a solo, how to clean a home, in just 3 days. But please, don't just order the free trial. Let me give you a demo. Let me show you how it works, how the logic is there, how you tie it all together. We can customize it to you in 20 minutes. So if there's something you do different in your cleaning, let's talk about that on the phone before you just throw it out the window. I am going to create a video that shows people exactly how to use it, because I learned at convention I definitely need that. But until that time, I'm happy to demo this for you and explain it to you personally and customize it to your company. You're heading into the holidays. You need this done rapidly. You certainly don't have time to make your own video, and I can show you how to streamline this with you, your products, your tools, your procedures, and we can make this training fast and flawless for your company. I'm even willing to help you bring it up virtually. The same thing I did when I go to the offices. I can do that virtually, but if you want me to come to your office, I'll come for a couple of days and help you get this thing up and running. We can roll it out before the holidays. I really will help you train the trainer, on-site or virtual. And it's really inexpensive right now. I brought the price down to the same thing as house cleaners training was. It's really affordable, and now is the time to do it before the holidays. Gain speed, gain consistency, gain retention, and most of all, over the holidays, gain some peace of mind. If you're tired of training the old way, if you're tired of the hard methods that you're using to bring up a cleaner, if you're tired of the time it takes, if you're still using methods that are 20 years old, let's fix it. You can. Book a demo today. Try the free trial if you feel you need to. Let me show you what modern training, house cleaning training looks like. You'll be shocked at how fast your teams improve. You will be shocked at how much weight this will take off of your shoulders. You'll be disappointed you didn't do this earlier, but that's okay. You can do it today. Thank you for being here, and I can't wait to help your business grow. Until then, happy training.